Hi everyone and welcome to this video. This is Shada Abdu from Point Trader Group. We're going to start with the euro against the American dollar on the daily time frame. So as you can see here that the pair is about to reach a strong resistance level, that is 1.1235. This is where we can look for some bearish evidence for an expected movement to the downside, but this is just in case the pair shows up bearish evidence below this level. This means that we can go short. As a matter of fact, our first target is going to be 1.10, conditioned by the continuation of trading below the level of 1.1235. On the other hand, if the level of 1.1235 is broken, this means a breakout to the upside. This means the price might continue going upwards to reach at least 1.13, 1.14, but this is as well as conditioned by the breakout of the level of 1.1235. Now let's move to the gold on the daily time frame as well. So as you can see here that we had a symmetrical triangle. This is the upside here and this is the downside here. Now the pair managed to break the downside, the upside at this point, and it actually did continue going upwards to reach the level of 1516. This means that we're facing now a very strong resistance level. So we have two scenarios, a pullback or a breakout. So if the pair shows bearish evidence, in case that bearish evidence appearing below this level, then we can go short targeting the level of 1487. On the other hand, if the level of 1516 is broken to the upside, this means that the way would be open for the pair to reach the level of 1530, 1540. Let's move to the American dollar against the Canadian dollar. As you can see here that it is about to reach a strong area. This area. Okay, that is located between 1.3050 to 1.3020. This is where we can look for bullish evidence for an expected movement to the upside. So the expected scenario is something like this. This is the scenario that we would expect for this week. The price goes downwards to reach this area, then it goes upwards from this area to reach the level of 1.31, 1.32, and this is going to be conditioned by the continuation of trading above the level of 1.3021. Finally, with the euro against the Turkish lira on the daily time frame as well, it is facing here a very strong, at this point, let me highlight it for you, this area. Okay, this is a very strong resistance area located between 6.6577 to 6.6950. This is where we can look for some bearish evidence for unexpected movement to the downside, that it might reach the level of 6.30, 6.20. Okay, so this is going to be our very first target for the week. On the other hand, if the level of 6.6950 is broken to the upside, this means the price might continue going upwards to reach at least 7 to 70.10. So I hope this helps. Thank you for watching the video. Have a wonderful week.